Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to do something special. So I created this video on UNLINKED library, the best UNLINKED library to have or to know in 2026, and I got comments of people saying that the UNLINKED library doesn't work. So I decided to create a follow-up video to show how to exactly do or what to do to make the code work for you if you experience problems using the code. So if you've already watched the video, then no need watching this, but if you've not, then you can watch right up to the end, especially if you found difficulties in making the code to work for you. The reason I'm doing this because this code is going to 100% work on any Android TV, Google TV, Android TV box, or even Fire TV. So this is a code that works, and if it doesn't work, then you made a mistake or something is wrong somewhere, and we're going to try to fix that in this video. So if this is your first time watching the video, so please make sure just to watch the video right up to the end. And if this is not your first time, or if the code did not work for you, then you can just follow it right up to the part where you need to see what to do to make the code to work for you. So that's it. Let's get started. I'm using my Android TV box. It's called Sling TV. If you want to check it out, check it in the comment section, or in the description. So here's it now. Now I want to also start by installing a downloader UNLINKED application. This is for those who don't have the UNLINKED application. I'm assuming that there are people who are going to watch this video for the very first time, so I definitely need to start by showing you how to download and install the UNLINKED application. So if you already know how to install the UNLINKED application to your Android TV, or if you already have it, then you can follow this video, or you can skip this next part and go straight to where I'll be showing you how to make the UNLINKED library to work for you, because this UNLINKED library is effective, is updated, and it's going to work for you if you follow the instructions rightly. So let's start by installing the downloader application. So to install downloader on your Android TV is simple. Just go over to your browser. I used my Google browser on my Android TV because it's simple. Please, I'm going to try to go as fast as possible because this part here is not very important. It is only for those who don't have the UNLINKED library. So I'll go as fast as possible here. Now, if you cannot hear me clearly, please, I added captions to this video to make it easy for those watching to hear what I'm saying, because I realize that many people don't understand my accent, and that is totally okay. We are all humans and we have different accents. Alright, so go over here, and this is the download application we're looking for. So just click on download or install here. The application is going to install to your Android TV. Now the reason I'm installing the download application is because I need you to install the UNLINKED application. So it's very simple. Install downloader. They use downloader to install UNLINKED to your library. And as I said earlier, this is only for those who don't know how to install UNLINKED. So if you're watching the video for the second time, I'm sure you must have forwarded to the part where you really need it. Alright, so once you're here, downloader works by you just typing in the code, and the code for UNLINKED is simple. It is 10381. So type in this code to install UNLINKED 10381. I go ahead and launch, and once you launch the code, it's going to install or start installing the APK to the UNLINKED application. So just give it a couple of seconds, let it redirect to where we can install the applications. One is installed, then I will show you what to do next. So here's the application. Just click install, and once the application is installed to your Android TV, then you can return home. So that's it. This is how to install UNLINKED. It is very simple. Alright, so it is installed. Please don't open straight away. Delete the app file from your Android TV, and you can close downloader also to reduce applications from running in the background and increase the speed of your device. So okay, so we are here now that the UNLINKED has installed. If you go over here, here's the UNLINKED application, and launch it. So as I said, I am doing a follow-up video on the first video because I got comments of people saying that the library doesn't work, and I want to show you that the library is going to 100% work. It's going to effectively work because this is an updated library. This is a library that I use all the time, and if you follow attentively, it is definitely going to work for you. So I want to show you how to make the library work. So once you go over to UNLINKED, just click on add new, and this is what to do. Please, this is how to type in a library. So you can go over here, you can use your remote. Let me use my remote for this, and you type in everything. So if you go over here, just type everything, Just type every, and then I'll show you something. Now, one thing some people do is that when they type in everything like this, they tend on to go and use the suggestion here. Please do not use the suggestion. Do not use the suggestion, because if you use the suggestion, there might be a problem. And another problem that people do is that they come and type in everything with space. There is not supposed to be any space here, please. There is not supposed to be a space or space bar. So make sure that none of that is here for the code to work. Now, this is it. Now everything, once you type in everything, another thing for you to do to make sure the code is going to work for you, there should not be any space at the end here. All right, so it should be just everything. There should not be space anymore. It should be one word, not two words, please. It is one word, no two words. And also there shouldn't be any space either in the middle or at the end for this library to work for you. And avoid using suggestion. This is not going to work. This might not work. This is definitely going to work. So it is only everything. So make sure to type without spacing. And another thing people ask, can I type with lowercase and will it work? Yes, lowercase is also going to work as long as you follow the instructions that I showed you. I mistakenly closed the application. Let's go back there. So lowercasing is going to work. So just go ahead and click on library, and add library. I can choose lower cases and you can type in everything. Now for me to type in lower case is going to be hard because my TV keyboard automatically goes to capital or higher cases anytime I type in. So yes, if you type in lower cases, it is going to work. But please, if you are using lower cases, use lower cases all through. If you are using higher cases or upper cases, use upper cases all through, and the library is going to work. So once you type it on link, you can go ahead and launch, and the library is definitely going to work on your Android TV. As you see, the lower cases work. You could return and try it again. If you return and would try upper cases, this is what to do. So please follow attentively. Let's try the upper cases. Now to do that, I'll need to delete this. Let's go back to settings because I already have the library created. Or you have to delete the library altogether to fully delete the library from your Android TV. So let's see if you can clear cache libraries. I believe that's going to clear the libraries, and I hope that works. Okay, it did not work. But anyway, you can also try capital letters and it's still going to work. So if I go over here and I type in everything, please do not use any suggestion. Make sure it is one word, not two words. So everything, if you type in that, it is definitely going to work on your Android TV, Google TV, or Android TV box. So that's it. Now you can enter it and can install applications as much as you want, but this is how to make it work on your Android TV.